Welcome to a channel where discarded industrial leftovers are transformed into refined expressions of luxury and design. This is a space dedicated to the rebirth of factory waste into home masterpieces, where raw, forgotten materials are elevated into decor that feels bold, elegant, and intentional. Here, we explore how metal, wood, concrete, and industrial remnants once destined for disposal can become high-end decorative pieces that rival luxury interiors. Every scratch, texture, and imperfection becomes part of a story that blends industrial strength with artistic sophistication. If you're inspired by sustainable luxury, bold design, and creative transformation, you're in the right place. This channel goes beyond recycling. It's about redefining value and challenging the idea of what luxury truly means. Through thoughtful craftsmanship and creative vision, we turn factory waste into statement decor for modern homes, studios, and commercial spaces. Join us as we reshape industrial leftovers into timeless masterpieces, proving that true luxury is not about excess, but about creativity, purpose, and the beauty of transformation. Welcome to a channel where discarded industrial materials are reimagined as refined, luxurious decor for modern living. This space is dedicated to the transformation of industrial leftovers into elegant home masterpieces, where factory waste is no longer waste, but the foundation of high-end design. Here, we explore how creativity, craftsmanship, and vision can elevate raw materials into decor that feels exclusive, intentional, and timeless. Industrial leftovers carry a unique visual language shaped by function, pressure, and time. Metal offcuts, wood remnants, concrete fragments, and mechanical parts all hold textures and forms that cannot be replicated by new materials. This channel celebrates those qualities, showing how they can be refined into luxury decor without losing their industrial soul. Luxury, as we define it here, is not about perfection or excess, it's about originality and meaning. Each piece created from industrial leftovers is one of a kind, shaped by the history of its materials. This channel highlights how true luxury emerges from uniqueness, thoughtful design, and skilled transformation. At the heart of this channel is the idea of rebirth. Factory waste often represents the end of a production cycle, but here it becomes the beginning of something new. We explore how discarded materials are carefully selected, cleaned, shaped, and refined into decor pieces that feel purposeful and elegant. This channel also challenges the traditional boundaries between industrial design and home decor. Raw materials are softened through proportion, finish, and form, allowing them to blend seamlessly into sophisticated interiors. The result is decor that feels bold yet refined, powerful yet balanced. Sustainability is a core value woven into every transformation. By repurposing industrial leftovers, we reduce waste and extend the life of valuable materials. This channel shows that eco-conscious design and luxury are not opposites, but partners in creating meaningful, responsible spaces. Craftsmanship plays a central role in this journey. Turning factory waste into luxury decor requires skill, patience, and respect for materials. This channel highlights the techniques and design choices that elevate industrial remnants into polished, high-end pieces suitable for modern homes. Function often meets art in these creations. Many of the pieces featured here are not just decorative, but practical lighting, furniture, shelving, and accent pieces that serve everyday needs while making a strong visual statement. This balance is what transforms decor into true home masterpieces. Texture is one of the most powerful elements of industrial luxury decor. Patina, grain, wear, and raw edges tell stories that smooth, factory-finished surfaces cannot. This channel celebrates texture as a design asset, allowing materials to speak through their natural character. We also explore how industrial luxury decor fits into different interior styles. From minimalist and modern spaces to industrial chic and contemporary homes, these pieces add depth and contrast. A single statement item can redefine a room, making it feel curated and intentional. Lighting is a key focus, as it reveals the true beauty of industrial materials. Carefully designed lighting pieces made from factory leftovers create atmosphere and drama while highlighting texture and form. This channel explores how light transforms raw materials into elegant focal points. Proportion and balance are essential when working with industrial elements. Heavy materials must feel visually light, and bold forms must feel controlled. This channel examines how thoughtful proportions turn industrial weight into refined elegance. This space also emphasizes storytelling. Each luxury decor piece carries a narrative, where the material came from, what it was once used for, and how it was transformed. These stories add emotional value that mass-produced luxury items often lack. For creators and designers, this channel offers inspiration and perspective. It encourages thinking beyond conventional materials and seeing potential in overlooked resources. Industrial leftovers become tools for creativity rather than limitations. The channel also explores how these designs evolve over time. Industrial materials age gracefully, developing richer patina and character. Unlike disposable decor trends, these pieces grow more beautiful as they live within a space. We highlight how factory waste can be transformed for residential, commercial, and hospitality interiors. Luxury decor made from industrial leftovers works beautifully in homes, offices, hotels, cafes, and galleries, offering versatility alongside uniqueness. This channel promotes mindful consumption. Choosing decor made from repurposed industrial materials supports sustainable practices while investing in pieces with long-term value. Luxury becomes less about status and more about intention. Community and shared appreciation are important here. Viewers are invited to explore ideas, share interpretations, and connect through a shared respect for creativity and sustainability. Design becomes a conversation rather than a product. We also challenge viewers to rethink waste itself. Factory leftovers are not the end of a process, but an opportunity for reinvention. This channel reshapes how we see materials, production, and responsibility. At its core, this channel is about transformation of materials, of perspective, and of spaces. Industrial leftovers become symbols of renewal, proving that beauty can rise from the most unexpected origins. Each piece featured here stands as a reminder that luxury is not about newness, but about craftsmanship, story, and design integrity. Factory waste, when handled with care and creativity, becomes timeless decor. Thank you for joining this journey from factory waste to home masterpieces. By celebrating industrial leftovers reborn as luxury decor, this channel invites you to see sustainability, creativity, and elegance as one powerful design language that redefines what modern luxury truly means. In summary, industrial leftovers reborn as luxury decor is about redefining value and beauty through transformation. By turning factory waste into refined home masterpieces, we prove that discarded materials can become powerful design statements filled with character, history, and elegance. Each piece reflects thoughtful craftsmanship, sustainability, and creative vision, showing that true luxury is not about newness, but about meaning, originality, and purpose. Thank you for being part of this journey from factory floors to beautiful living spaces. Your support and appreciation for sustainable, creative design help keep this vision alive. If this content inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others who believe in transforming waste into art. Together, we can continue to celebrate creativity, responsibility, and the beauty of reinvention.